3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's like a sound.
Oh, you're getting recorded there, letters.
That's fine. If I get kicked, I'll finish first anyway. Yeah, they're mad. They're real mad. They're real mad. I just fucking bashed my way in there. I win, bitch! There we go. Now I can do over 90 kilometers an hour, so at least I'll be able to fucking haul booty. I'm going to my drop-off.
Don't think you are now.
Boy, when that fucker goes, there's no saving it.
What'd you do, roll it?
No.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
That's weird because it's only... What did I say it was? 800 miles? No.
I think you said 700 kilometers or something like that.
Fucking Jesus Christ. I've got to quit looking shit up when I'm driving.
750 miles.
But I've seen a lot of truck drivers who get that. Wow, look at this fucking motherfucker right here.
Dumb shit like this, huh?
I'm a truck. What perfect timing. Oh shit. Fuck. Well, that didn't take long. That guy's probably gonna be mad at me. Oh, fucking shit.
What happened to you?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Oh, damn it.
Seems like something happened to you.
Everything's fine.
Okay.
It redesigned keel a little bit. Oh, god damn it. Wow. All the way upside down.
Because I don't know where most of the places are in ETS.
ETS has been a fucking geography lesson for me, man. Not gonna lie. I definitely know more about... Oh, fucking shit. Crashing a European truck now. Holy shit. I can't believe I kept it on the wheels. I mean, I didn't. It was... I did a fucking stoppie. Getting too warm. I'm gonna sit up for a little while. Oh, Jesus Christ, dog. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Did you?
Where are you going?
This tells me I'm taking a right.
Yeah. But it just looked like you weren't going to take it. That's why I was like, where are you going?
Ooh, hard right, hard right,
Oh,
hard right.
oh, keep going straight, keep going straight!
Oh!
Told you to keep going straight!
Yeah, keep going straight when I'm supposed to take this right-hand turn. Explain to me again how this is my fault.
I was trying to stop. We both were taking that way too hot. We're gonna find out!
Oh my god.
Hi, how you doing?
You are never getting out of there.
Uh-oh.
I pushed him off.
I'll push him.
Never mind. Wait,
Well,
what
I'm not
happened?
getting out of that.
What happened? What did you do now?
Spin around.
What, like this?
Yep.
Oh, hey, I landed on all four wheels, or on all wheels.
That's pretty incredible.
Yeah. It's like, didn't realize this was a collision zone. This is a garage.
Oh my god.
What
Jesus
happened?
Fucking Christ. Nothing.
Bullshit. Where are you at?
Right on the turn off from 6 to the North Highway.
Other side of the road, so we can't get it.
Yeah, we can't. Fuck up.
Fucking just jamming it in
UCB.
there, huh? Ooh. You were feeling adventurous, huh?
Me?
Yeah.
I did it. I had to have a little bit of fun there.
You son of a bitch.
I didn't think I could go over that mound, and I did. I was kind of surprised. I didn't know what to do afterwards. I was like, huh. So I can do that, huh?
Right. Oh god. Jesus Christ. What's this asshole honking at? That was a hell of a fucking pile up, huh? You?
Okay, let's find a new route.
That sucks. That cop just drove by, didn't even stop to help.
Keep right,
Laughing past him
and
and
then
stuff.
exit right. Exit right.
I'm gonna start behaving a little bit more. Jesus letters.
Yeah, I might have cut that guy off
You
a
just
little bit.
cut his
Turn
nose
right.
off. I think he hit you.
Might have cut him off a little bit.
Yep, I'm old. It's official. I nearly swore it past with a Christmas truck.
I don't even know what the fuck I hit.
Oh shit, there's an admin setting you have to deal with. This is the only ones who can have the cop liveries.
This... Did I just back into this truck? Is this a collision zone?
No.
It doesn't say no collision. Yeah, this guy Voyager just said apparently this isn't a no collision zone.
Guess so.
Jordan's looking for trouble.
Especially if an admin's in the area.
I mean, it's not.
He's not breaking the rules, but he is going to find an invisible wall.
I'm getting over it.
Oh, what's that?
Gosh.
It's a Ford after all.
Jesus fucking Christ, you stupid fucking piece of shit. Did you notice he fucking left like the second he ran into me? Some guy just came way over the center line. Ooh! Ooh! How? I was beating the fuck out of you.
Now you dead. I beat you with one arm.
What the fuck do you... Alright.
I kicked you. Oh my god, your legs are going around. Do something.
I don't know if you're being strategic about this. I am straight button mashing. And he gets back up. What the fuck is that? How the fuck do you get back up? You don't have a fucking head. That is amazing. Just watching your lifeless body pop back up and take another swing at me. I'm just wondering how long it's gonna take him to jump down there and get that goddamn cube.
About an hour and a half.
Good job.
Right into the acid.
And that will be funny.
Are you fucking shitting me?
Oh, yeah, actually did. That's very funny.